Good morning, Lauren, Kim at Jeff Perry. I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to send you a video of the Buick. It just got out of detail. So just gonna start in the front here. If there's anything you'd like me to focus on, please let me know. There is a little mark right there in the front, just from being painted, like rock chips and stuff like that happen. Okay, so like I was telling you, I did take this in on trade. A lady actually had purchased it here, and then she just wanted to upgrade to an SUV. So that is what she traded in on. There's a little bit of curb mark on the wheels. Moving around to the back. So you have backup camera and backup sensors. There's a little more mark on the wheels. That one. It does have remote start on it. Power driver and passenger seat. The seats are heated. It has the all-weather floor liners in it already. It does come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile powertrain warranty. Let me know if you're able to make it in this afternoon to take a look at it. Like I said, we are open until 7 p.m. tonight. And my name is Kim. I will be helping you out with the car. If you have any additional questions, just give me a call or send me a text. I'll talk to you soon.